In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TikTok videos on Clipchamp. 5 minutes. Let's jump right in so you can go from idea to upload quickly and confidently. First, launch Clipchamp and log in. If you're new, you can create a free account in a moment. Once you're in, click Create a New Video to open a fresh project. This gives you a blank canvas with a timeline where you'll assemble your TikTok from start to finish. Next, bring in your content. Click Import Media to upload your clips, photos, and audio from your computer or cloud storage. You can also drag and drop files straight into the media panel. If you're missing a shot or need B-roll, check out Clipchamp's built-in stock library to fill the gaps without leaving your project. Add your media to the timeline by dragging it down from the library. Trim the edges by dragging the clip handles, split clips to remove unwanted parts, and drag to reorder scenes so your story flows. Keep the pace brisk. TikTok viewers respond well to snappy edits and clear visual beats. Now personalize your video using the toolbar. Add text for titles and captions, and choose clean, readable fonts. Use transitions to smooth cuts between clips, and sprinkle in GIFs or stickers for emphasis. Filters can unify the look of mixed footage. Subtle is best to avoid distracting from your message. Don't forget audio. Lower music under voiceovers and keep overall levels consistent so nothing spikes or dips unexpectedly. Before you export, make sure your project is set to a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, which is TikTok's standard. In the canvas settings, select 9:16, then adjust your clips to fit. Use cropping and reframing to keep key subjects centered and leave a little space at the bottom and right side where TikTok's interface elements may overlay. When you're happy with the edit, click export and choose your resolution. For most TikToks, 1080p is a great balance of quality and file size. Let the render finish, then on the export page, scroll down and click Send to TikTok. This streamlines your upload without extra downloading and re-uploading steps. To complete the transfer, click Connect to TikTok and sign in to authorize the integration. After approval, your video will be sent to your TikTok account where you can add a caption, hashtags, and final settings like privacy and comments before posting. That's it. Your TikTok is ready. Save your project in Clipchamp so you can quickly duplicate this workflow for your next video.